reports emerging that the Department of State Services invited an Islamic cleric in the state, identified as Sheikh Dad Imran Molassan, for questioning following a pro-Palestine protest held in the state. Sheikh Molassan, who leads the Islamic group Tawumi Muslimin and serves as the Grand Mufti of Yoruba land, was reportedly taken into custody after a video surfaced online showing him and his followers calling for the liberation of Palestine from Israeli occupation. The footage, which featured members of the group waving Palestinian flags during a march in Iwo, quickly went viral and triggered widespread debate on social media. Let's take a look. Was invited to the DSS and left the same day after administrative processes. But still, this video is concerning, especially as conversations around religious extremism in Nigeria have gained traction in recent weeks. I mean, what really is going on here, Dr. Abbati? I mean, waving other people's flag. I mean, we had that issue when there was that riot, I believe, in the north, where people were raising the Russian flags, and I believe that the security agencies said something about it being against our sovereignty and all of that. What do you think is going to happen to this man? And is this, I mean, legal, Doctor?
Well, I don't consider this a very important subject out of all the subjects that we have. The Department of State Security has the responsibility to investigate. And it's simply to be assured that this is not going to lead to any crisis. Okay. After all, in the United States, persons who are also pro-Palestine and anti-Semitic, yes, they've gone after them, including universities and all of that. But I don't think in Nigeria there is an ideological reaction from the state. It's simply about making sure that this doesn't get escalated. The people who say they are against Israel, and the war in Gaza, what they are saying simply even aligns with Nigeria's foreign policy. Nigeria's foreign policy does not support Israel, attacking, Palestine or the crisis, the escalation of the crisis in Gaza. So I don't think it's a very important subject.
Well, the story